I'm in my pottery studio right now. I bought these because I make ceramic stoppers for them. I made little gnome stoppers. I wasn't sure what I was going to get when I actually purchased them, and I'm so happy I did. They are absolutely great quality. They taper with the rubber so it fits into any size bottle. It's got quite a sharp point. This part here unscrews so that if you make pieces where it wants to go into the piece and you can like glue it in, that'll work well. I've actually glued it in because the pieces I make go on top. I've got a hole underneath. So I glue it onto this. But so that shows there's two options to go on top of here or inside here. You get 12 in a box. I actually like them so much that I went and bought another box. I had 24 and I've only got this one left. I'm really would recommend them. As soon as this one's done, I'm probably going to get more anyway when I make more gnomes.